So guys, how to sum the column in Excel?
Let's not lose any more time. This is how it's done. There are more ways to sum values in cells. The one we'll present is the easiest and quickest. Here's a table with some data on sales of individual people in certain quarters. We'll use this table to show how the sum works. Let's say we want to total the sales for quarter 1. We'll click into the cell C11 where we want to sum the sales. We'll find Home tab, Section Editing, and select AutoSum. Excel automatically marks the cells which you might want to add up. If you need to change the range of these cells, click into the top right corner of the selected group and change the range as needed.
In this case, we want to total all sales, so we'll leave the marked area as it is, from C3 up to C10, and press Enter. And here it is. That's the sum of all sales for quarter 1. If we want Excel to calculate the sum for the rest of the quarters, we can simply click on the cell where the sum for Q1 has been calculated, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag the formula across the rest of the columns. You can use the same way to add up values in rows, which represent sales of individual people for all quarters. To add up the first row, we'll click on the cell under the column Total, and then click on AutoSum, as you already know. Press Enter and copy the formula across the rows that need to be calculated by dragging the bottom left corner of the selected cell down the total column. Good job!
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.